Good morning. This is Patrick McCullough, forecaster here at the National Weather Service office in San Angelo. I look at the West Central Texas weather briefing really for the next week or so. This briefing is being updated early Monday morning. I guess the important update for this round will be the increased amount of shower and thunderstorm activity we're expecting really each day through the rest of the week and into the weekend. Highest coverage still looks likely on Wednesday and Thursday. Again, key points, isolated scattered showers and thunderstorms each day. Best coverage Wednesday and Thursday. Pockets of heavy rainfall will be possible with a few of these storms, and they may cause some brief periods of some relatively minor flooding, street flooding, some flooding of some low water crossings, that type of deal. Severe weather chances are low, and certainly nothing's going to be terribly organized. But the odds of seeing some severe weather are not zero. Isolated downbursts, microbursts, like we've seen each of the last few afternoons, certainly possible and may cause some localized areas some wind damage. As for temperatures, so they're going to be pretty close to normal to start the week off. But as the rain chances increase Wednesday, Thursday, we see more storms in the area. We see more cloud cover. Temperatures will cool off and actually be below normal by midweek. Quick peek at what we expect for this afternoon. Again, high temperatures climbing up into the mid to upper 90s, maybe even pushing 100 in a few locations. We've already got a few showers and thunderstorms just east of the area this morning. That will expand in coverage and kind of drift off to the south and west later today. So we're expecting some isolated to scattered showers and thunderstorms across much of the big country, Heartland, Concho Valley, and into the hill country. Again, we're talking generally about areas east of a Murchison to Junction line. Otherwise, south to southeast winds 10 to 15 miles per hour, and we'll continue to see a few gusts around 20 miles per hour at times. For the rest of the week, temperature and precipitation chances, again, you see the temperature is pretty close to normal for Monday, Tuesday. We start to see a little bit of a cooling period for Wednesday. And then as we see more clouds and more storm chances, we see those temperatures drop off by mid to late in the week. Again, rain chances for each of our selected cities across the area. Again, 15 to 25% across much of the area for today, but we increase that into 50 to 60, maybe even 70% by the time we get into Wednesday and Thursday. Looking at the 6 to 10 day temperature and precipitation outlook, near normal, maybe a little above normal for temperatures for that 6 to 10 days, so next weekend into early the next week. And again, for the middle of August, we're not complaining. We see some near to maybe even a little bit above normal rain chances for much of that time period as well. The one good news, I guess, other than the rain chances, are that the drought outlook really is just now limited to a very small portion of southwestern Crockett County. The rain this summer has done quite a bit of good and really knocked out most of the drought across the area for now, at least. Again, our regions of West Central Texas for your to keep in mind at least. Our next briefing will be updated early Thursday morning, unless we see something before then that requires an update. Thank you, and we'll continue to keep you updated.